Hello, my name is Daniel and today you join me at the Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham for a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Caddy Maxi C20 cargo. This Caddy Maxi comes with a 2.0 TDI engine pushing out to 102 PS. It comes a part of the Commerce Pro Tech Pack and is covered in the Mojave beige colour with a metallic finish. Starting with the front exterior features, this Caddy Maxi comes with front parking sensors for extra bit of safety. You also have the electric heated and power folding exterior mirrors for those cold winter mornings, and you also get the LED rear combination lights. This Caddy sits on 16-inch wine silver alloy wheels. Moving around to the back for the rear exterior features, you have the rear parking sensors and the rear view camera for that extra bit of safety when you are maneuvering the vehicle and reversing, and you have the rear wing doors to be able to get into the loading area. Looking inside the loading area, you have a very spacious metal lined storage area that you can fit your equipment and belongings, and you have the steel bulkhead at the front. Additional access to the loading area can be done via the single sliding doors on either side of the vehicle. This just makes it much more convenient and easy when you have to get your equipment and belongings when you are parked on the side of the road. In front of the vehicle, you can see that there are two passenger seats covered in fabric cloth trim upholstery with armrest on the sides for extra comfortability. You also have a 10-inch color touchscreen infotainment system. The infotainment system allows you to listen to your favorite radio stations. You can switch through the DAB, AM and FM track list. You can also connect your devices to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for personalized music. And then you can use the inbuilt sat-nav system for traffic updates and speed updates. In front of the driver's seat is a 3-spoke multifunction black steering wheel which allows them to skip for their favorite songs, adjust the volume, use the inbuilt cruise control and answer calls. That is it for this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Caddy Maxi C20 cargo. Thank you for watching and goodbye.